Welcome to Android, using Backendless to save data in the cloud. Backendless is a backend as a service and is everything it takes to build the best of the kind mobile apps. What will I cover in this course? Firstly, I will introduce you to the Backendless website and give you a brief overview of different parts of the website. You will also create your Backendless account and set up Backendless in Android Studio. We will then start creating the login screen for our app, where we will learn how to work with users. We will look at how to create an account, reset the user's password, and let them log into the application. Then we will learn how to create our online database to create, read, update, and delete entries. While we are doing these operations, you can see the changes live on backendless.com. While learning how to use Backendless in Android, we will actually be building a contacts app that you can use in the real world. All code used in this course will be explained in detail, even the most basic code. More emphasis, however, will be placed on the code from the Backendless API. As Android Studio is currently the official Android IDE, I will be using Android Studio to build the application in this course. So what are you waiting for? Let us start the course.